How to remove face in Roblox. So if you want to remove face in Roblox, then first you need to just open up your Roblox application. Once you open up your Roblox, here on the left side, you will have the three bar icon. You can either go with your application or your browser. So go with the three bar, which is on the left side, and here you will have an avatar section. So click on avatar. Here, you just need to simply go with head and body and then go with the face option, which is right here. Go with classic faces. And here you will have your classic faces that you've downloaded or that's recommended, which is right here. So what you need to do is just simply go with see all, which is right here on the bottom right. And once you go with see all, then it will load all of the classic faces. You can just simply go with search and search for faceless head. And after that, you may get the head. You just need to simply go and buy that with your Robux, and you'll be able to add your face to your avatar. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.